450 grams of beetroot goodness. And that. Oh my god. That's so funny. Two and a half servings of vegetables. Oh. Looks like blood. Oh. It's less than what I thought it was going to be. Like, I already feel a little bit sick. Definitely tastes better in a burger. I do not like the raw concentrated power of beetroot. Oh. Oh. I don't like this. I like sardines better. It's so bad. It's actually so bad. I think there's only one more piece left. Yeah. Hold on. No. 551. That's pretty bad. A lot worse than what I thought it was going to be. We're going to throw up. Pretty disgusting. I rate this 4 out of 10.